Why the Sierra Madre is so important. The Sierra Madre is the longest mountain range in the Philippines, stretching over 500 kilometers along the eastern coast of Luzon. It is often called the backbone of Luzon, and for good reason. This mountain range plays a critical role in protecting lives, sustaining ecosystems, and supporting communities across the country. One of the Sierra Madre's most important roles is serving as a natural shield against typhoons. Each year, many tropical storms and typhoons enter the Philippines from the Pacific Ocean. The Sierra Madre acts as a barrier, weakening strong winds and absorbing heavy rains before they reach densely populated areas such as Metro Manila and central Luzon. Without it, the impact of these storms would be far more devastating. The range also serves as a vital water source. It is the origin of several major river systems, including the Cagayan, Pampanga, and Umaray rivers. These waterways supply water for agriculture, domestic use, and hydroelectric power. Many of Luzon's reservoirs and dams, such as Angat and Kaliwa, rely on the watersheds within the Sierra Madre to maintain their water supply. Beyond its protective and hydrological functions, the Sierra Madre is a biodiversity hotspot. It hosts an extraordinary range of plant and animal species, many of which are endemic to the Philippines. The critically endangered Philippine eagle, the Philippine brown deer, and the rafflesia flower are just a few examples of the rare life forms that thrive in its forests. This makes the Sierra Madre one of the country's most valuable ecological treasures. The mountain range is also home to several indigenous groups, including the Acta, Dumagat, and Remontado peoples. For generations, these communities have depended on the Sierra Madre's forests and rivers for their food, livelihood, and cultural identity. Their ancestral lands form an important part of the region's human and environmental landscape. In addition, the Sierra Madre plays a key role in climate regulation and disaster prevention. Its forests absorb carbon dioxide, helping reduce the effects of climate change. They also prevent soil erosion, landslides, and flooding by stabilizing the soil and controlling water flow. However, this vital ecosystem faces serious threats. Illegal logging, mining, and land conversion continue to degrade its forests. Infrastructure projects, such as the Kaliwa Dam, also pose risks to both the environment and the indigenous communities that depend on it. The loss of the Sierra Madre would mean more than the destruction of a mountain range. It would mean increased vulnerability to typhoons,